One bedroom namin. One bedroom, approximately 34 to 36 square meter. So spacious place with a 34 to 36 square meter. Okay, punta man tayo dito sa sala. So, yan, yung makikita nyo, yan, 36 square meters. Okay. Ito naman po yung unit finishes namin. So, yan, the one bedroom. Actually, this is the actual turnover. So, yan, may cabinets na po siya. One bedroom sink. Good also for investments. We have a studio, 22 square meter, and a one bedroom with 34 to 36 square meter. Best for the Tower N with the ongoing promos, flexible payment terms. And for kung gusto nyo naman ng RFO, meron kaming Tower S. Nakalisto on of 10 years naman po yun. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-loan sa bank after the down payment. So, we're going to comfort room naman po. So, actual turnover. Look at that. Ang ganda naman. This is the actual turnover. So,